This video provides a summary of the Guelph housing market stats for March of 2021. As we head into the spring and work our way through these spring months, we're still seeing a very hot real estate market, but we're seeing a glimmer of hope for buyers that it's starting to settle down. Let's take a look at some of the key metrics. Median sales price was $715,000, which is up by 28.8% relative to March of 2020. Median days on market was 6 days, which is down by 3 days. The total number of sales was 380, which is up by 62.4%. And the total number of listings was 451, which is up by 43.6%. With the number of sales being up by more than 60%, clearly we're still in a very hot seller's market. However, for the first time since the pandemic began, the number of new listings is actually outpacing the number of new sales right now. This is an important metric that may help the real estate market find some balance. In fact, over the past few weeks, we've started to see some properties that have been holding offers and only get one offer or even no offers. It's coming as a shock to these sellers who thought they were pricing low to drum up a lot of competition and get multiple offers. With this said, sellers are still achieving record highs from a price perspective, and many are capitalizing on the hot market. My message to buyers right now is to continue to be patient and persistent. If you see a house you like, don't be deterred from trying an offer, because right now we're starting to see less and less offers on houses, and you might just get lucky. If you have any questions at all about the real estate market, or you're thinking about buying or selling, please feel free to give me a call. I'd be happy to help you out.